How to transfer money to another bank in RBC Bank. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the RBC Bank application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. You will then be led to the home page of RBC. In here, tap on the Move Money option from the bottom toolbar. You will then see various options. Go ahead and tap on the Send and Interact e-Transfer option. Further, you will be asked to fill in the form. So, go ahead and enter from which account you want to send the money. Then enter the amount and then select the recipient whom you want to send the money to. Now, go ahead and select how you would like to notify the recipient. You can select either through mail or SMS or email and SMS both. Once done, you will be asked to create a security question and answer that only you and your recipient will be able to answer. So create the question and tap on the OK button. Once done, tap on the Send Now button and then tap on the Finish button, and with this, the money will be transferred. So, this is how you can transfer money from one bank to another bank in RBC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.